With spring temperatures fluctuating greatly from day to day and from morning to evening, a denim jacket is a practical wardrobe piece. So today, I am going to show you 8 ways to style a denim jacket for spring, and hopefully you have many of these pieces already in your closet. Today I am using 2 different types of denim jackets in my outfits. The denim jacket on the left is the traditional trucker jacket in a darker wash, and the one on the right is a lighter wash and it's a fitted jacket. But I do want to point out from the outset that you can shop many of these items directly in the description below, or by clicking on the shopping bag on your screen with your remote control if you're watching on the TV. You can also scan that QR code with your phone to shop all of these outfit pieces. There's also a link in the description. But I'm starting out here with just an Amazon satin slip skirt. You know I am not much for prints, but I like just this little polka dot feature to add depth and interest on this skirt. I've paired it with the fitted denim jacket in a lighter wash, a sleeveless button-up shirt, and some classy ballet flats. You know I love my ballet flats. My inner ballerina cannot say no. In this next pairing, I'm styling the trucker jacket in a darker wash with a cashmere sweater and ivory jeans because it is a little chilly in the Great Lakes right now. We call this third winter, where the calendar says spring, but Mother Nature still says winter. So the sleeves on this denim jacket drive me insane, and here's a hack to keep them up. This is just a stitch gun. It's generally used by retailers to attach price tags to the item, but it's just a tiny plastic stitch that I'm inserting 3 times on the cuff to hold it in place. And I rolled it up first on me so I could see where I wanted it to look, what looked right, and then I took it off, and I'm just putting 3 of those little plastic stitches in to hold it in place, and it works fabulously. It does not come undone, and it keeps my sanity while wearing my denim jacket. And now we are ready to go. Sleeves are in place, and my mind is at peace. You've seen me wear these rubber sole loafers before, but I want to show them to you again. They are incredibly comfortable, and they do have plenty of arch support. You can wear a slip sock with them if you need a little extra warmth. Many of you also ask me for handbags that look designer but are not. This is an Amazon bag for under $50. Definitely has that designer look to it. And I love how this look is warm, but it still has all the spring vibes to it. If you follow this channel, you have heard me talk about how I am a seafaring woman at heart. So any sort of nautical stripes are right up my alley. And I love this dress because of that nautical feel to it, that coastal feel. And I'm adding the denim jacket to it for a little extra added warmth. Instead of my canvas sailing sneakers today, because I could not find them, I am wearing a different color of those rubber-soled loafers in a bone color, and very, very comfortable. I actually like how this look came together. And my market tote bag, it's really my go-to handbag or tote bag in spring and summer. And now we're going to go for a slightly elevated look with a denim jacket. I am styling the trucker jacket in the darker wash with an oversized striped poplin and slimming crop pants. Not only are they slimming in the tummy area, they do add a little lift in the backside area. The pants are linked directly in the description below or by clicking on the shopping basket on your screen. And I'm going to pair this with wedge heels. I see this as a good look for lunch, for after dinner drinks, after work drinks, or brunch, just a slightly elevated look with the denim jacket. And now for a more casual look. I'm going to pair the slim fit denim jacket with a white scoop neck top and crop pants that are a little more relaxed, a little more comfortable. These fit looser for a more casual weekend look. I say weekend look, it could also be a look for errands, school pickup line, groceries. And again, I'm wearing those very comfortable rubber sole loafers. You saw me pair this black wrinkle-free travel dress with the lighter wash denim jacket in the Italy in Spring capsule wardrobe episode. But today, I'm going to pair it with the darker wash trucker jacket and add just a hint of color to it to give it some dimension. Just a red crossover bag. You don't need to go over the top with a scarf, red shoes, all those sorts of things. Just that one little bit of color to add depth, dimension, and interest to the outfit. And now I'm going to pair these white slimming crop pants with a boat neck maritime stripe top and the darker wash denim trucker jacket. All three of these items you should be able to buy or purchase directly from the caption below or by clicking on the shopping basket on the screen, but you can always scan that QR code to access all of the items shown in this post today. I really love how this comes together. You've heard me say that I live on the water in both northern Michigan and in my home in the Florida Keys. And being a seafaring woman at heart, I really love anything with a maritime nautical stripe or feel to it. And again, I've added this red crossbody bag for just a little hint of color and some interest to the outfit. and this pairing might be the most comfortable pairing of the day. Both of these pieces here are from Amazon. The copper linen pants I have a 26-inch inseam and they come almost to the floor on me. They're meant to be worn as a crop pant, but for me, they're just, a regular pant. And I'm styling it with the denim darker wash trucker jacket. And this is a very, very comfortable outfit for a multitude of activities, whether it's errands or even if you're going to a winery and just want to be comfortable. This is a good look for you. Until we meet again, my friends.